stuff going on, you can take whatever your limit is heading towards and just jam that number right into the thing. So take this -1/2 and just jam it right in there, and then whatever it evaluates out to, that is the limit. So you don't have to worry about doing all this fancy stuff if the limit is if you're taking the limit of a function that is behaving itself. You don't have to do the fancy stuff if you're taking the limit of a function that is behaving itself. Wow, that was tricky. Himself, herself, whatever gender that function identifies as. Now, this one, we've got a problem. So we have an x in the denominator, so we can't just direct substitution this thing, because when we try to direct substitution it, we would put 0 in the denominator, and then we can't evaluate anything because we can't divide by 0. So we have to do something else. I'm going to try to do some factoring, canceling stuff. And if I could get that x to cancel out of the denominator, then I will remove the denominator and I will be able to do direct substitution. Now I've got to remember, like for this polynomial, we can't put in 0 because we can't divide by 0. But I'm not trying to put in 0. I just want to know where it's heading towards as it approaches 0. I don't really care about the actual spot of 0. I just want to know what's going to happen as it gets close to there. So if I remove that denominator, it's no skin off my back in terms of limits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to FOIL that numerator. Got to FOIL my numerator. But I know the binomial sum trick, so I'm just going to do that real fast. So that's 16 plus 8x plus x squared minus 16. And this minus 16 is that minus 16. And it's all over x. So now my numerator looks like x squared plus 8x over x. And I still have my limit as x approaches 0. And then that equals, let's see, I can factor that numerator now, keep my limit. So we get x and x plus 8 over x. Ooh, cancel, sweet, bam. So this equals the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus 8. Oh, sweet, now I can put in that 0. So this thing equals 8. So that is going to be my limit. Sure, I can't actually put in 0, but the function is heading towards 8 while it's approaching 0.